Proyecto Coscoles. Agricultura ecológica. En el huerto de nuestro cole. Hemos plantado este año brócoli, lechuga mediterránea, lechuga romana, colcale, calabacín, guisante, habas, fresa, lechuga roble, tomates, lechuga maravilla. Hemos aprendido a sembrar, preparar abono, abonar, cavar, regar. Hemos recogido la cosecha. Hemos disfrutado mucho. Muchas gracias, Lorena.
Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know.